Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to share about the topic about the garbage problem in Hong Kong. Let me introduce for my personal feeling first. For me, I don't have any recycling before because I may think that recycling for different kinds of materials is very busy for me and waste time. And different kinds of the materials need to bring to the recycling, also need to have something problem to let me to do it. Maybe if some of the green community is not enough in Hong Kong, and I need to find different kinds of information, and also need to compare with some materials can be suitable for the recycling or not. So I will be ask myself, if because it's waste of my time, so I would not to be do it. But today I have a big improvement for my brain, for my thinking. Why? You may take a look these kind of materials. I have provided the newspaper and the plastic bottle. So both of the materials actually can be recycled. And for example, I put the example. Maybe how can we know that it's in the label that mentioned that it can put to the recycling bins or not. So this can maybe we think that actually no need to waste lots of time. Maybe just take a look of the label to know that maybe can go to the green community to put in the recycling bins that have can maybe this kind of thing also can be reduce and try to use again. So maybe I can let me to think about let me have a passion to do the recycling. And I have some observation. Actually, for the green community, there have green points, and when I have the recycling these kind of materials, they will give some points of it. So this also can let me think about that. It should be try hard to just let this kind of thing to go to put there for the recycling. Because in nowadays I have observed many people would not really like to recycle. Maybe we think that it is really terrible or use lots of time. But maybe people maybe more think about that. Maybe go to the green community is for the recycling this kind of material is quite easy. Just scan of the QR code, and then for the green community that already is suitable for recycle. So I hope that the Hong Kong garbage problem can try hard to do more to promote more people to recycling. Thank you.
For now, we are standing here is for the green community, so which is located in Quarry Bay. So I have bring the plastic bottle and the newspaper. So we now go to inside to recycle. So let me follow it. So we can see there have different kinds of the materials. It's mentioned about that we need to have a recycling more and rewards more, because when we recycling, they will have some awards to give me and the audience. Yeah. So now we will start for the putting different items to have a calculation. So first we will like to scan for the QR code to have to know that our membership. And then we will choose different which of the materials that we will like to recycle it. So today I would like to choose to recycle for the plastic bottle. So I will plastic these items. And I don't use any boxes to put, so I choose this item. And I put in here for the plastic bottle. And then after finish, then we will test this item.
Please scan the $1 membership QR. Please select the recyclables type.
And after that, we would like to put the plastic bottle in here. Okay. And then finally, we will after we recycling the materials, we will need to wash our hand to clean ourselves. And this is for the our step for the recycling materials. Thank you. For now, we would like to put the newspaper of this kind of material to recycle. So let's follow me. So same of the step, we would like to choose the language. So we put Chinese and then scan of the QR code. And then we would like to put this kind of newspaper in here to calculate the weight. So we choose newspaper, paper column. And because this time I have used a boxes to put, so I would like to choose this. And then we can see their differences. So around 0.5 gram. So I have collected around 5 points. So after finish, remember to click continuous and finish. And then they will have a record already. Then we can put this kind of items in here. Yes, in here. So that's finished. And after that, we would like to wash our hand in here. Yeah. So that's finished for our step. So finally, we can get different kinds of the point, and here also have brought to guide me and the audience why it is important for the recycling. So we can see we can get a rod. A rod is including maybe have a free MTR ride, or the cleaning materials, or even some kinds of food or drinks. So I encourage more people to try to recycling. Thank you.
After I visited the green community, I find that the waste components are based on the waste disposal audience in AP of the 354 in 1980s. So here I will mention 3 of the points. First, I will focus on the facility to mention about how they have a big improve compared with the before and for nowadays. For before, actually, the recycling materials is not really well and maybe unorganized. For my experience, when I'm primary school or secondary school, my school do not have any recycling bins. So maybe students don't know how to let different kinds of materials to recycling, and they maybe don't have that willingness to try to make this kind of thing to recycle. And maybe also I also find that in our street the recycling bins are really messy and maybe have some raw materials to put in is not correct of the recycling bins. But for nowadays there are a big change. I have find that the green community, they have a clear explanation to tell the audience and me how this kind of the materials to put the right one, and they have a clear instructions to guide the audience to put the correct the recycling bins, and this kind of facility can enhance more people to try to do more about it. So I believe that the facility can be do more better and better. So for the second point is I would like to mention is education. Before, when I'm in secondary school, actually it's supposed more students will be know more about some recycling knowledge. But actually my teacher also does not teach any recycling things to the students. They maybe just guide the students to you can do or not, you can try hard to do. They have not any forcement, and so maybe the student maybe will think that is maybe it's waste of the time, and maybe it's quite busy for me to do it, so they will be not enhanced to do it. But for nowadays, actually after the COVID-19, the government have do more educate of this kind of knowledge to the students. And when I visit a green community, I also can find that some of the knowledge also let different kinds of audience to know more about it. For example, maybe they can know about the importance of the recycle, and then they doing of the community of maybe provide the thought or the some playing games, then can guide the students to know more about it. So I think it's more better and good. And for the third of the point is about the award. Before actually is do not have any award in our community. Just people just put the materials, for example, newspaper or the plastic bottle just put in the recycling bin. But there are no any awards or any refunds to me or the audience. But for now, after I put this kind of plastic bottle, newspaper, or some cans in the correct of the recycling bin, they will have some points, can collect the green points. For the green points, after you have enough of the point, you can get a rice or get some cleaning materials, and this kind of thing also can let me enhance to try hard to go to the green community for recycling. So based on this kind of this three of the point, I can have more improvement for the recycling and change my mindset. So I hope that also can enhance more people to try hard to go to different kinds of green community to recycling. Thank you.